So this question says that which of the following processes does not lead to a chemical change? All right. A stirring iron in sulfuric acid. So if we stir iron Fe in sulfuric acid H2SO4, we know that this is going to give us iron sulfate and water. So this is a chemical change. So option A is wrong. B is stirring sodium carbonate in water. All right. So if you put sodium carbonate in water, we are just going to have solution of sodium carbonate. So sodium carbonate is soluble in water. This does not lead to a chemical change. So we'll leave B. Option C says stirring glucose in concentrated sulfuric acid. All right, sulfuric acid is a drying agent. Glucose is C6H12O6. So if you put sulfuric acid into this, it's going to take in the water molecule and you're going to be left with a charred carbon or charcoal. So this is going to lead to a chemical change because a new substance is formed, which means that this also leads to a chemical change. So C is wrong. Option D says mixing sulfuric acid with potassium carbonate, right? So sulfuric acid is H2SO4. When you combine it with potassium carbonate, this is going to give us potassium sulfate and CO2 and water, which means new substances are formed. And then option D also leads to a chemical change. So that is going to be wrong. Option E says titrating an acid and base. All right. So we know that when an acid is combined with a base, it's going to give us salt and water. And that also leads to a chemical change, which means that the correct option is option B.